I'm a journeyman technician. They'd call somebody like me a journeyman technician. I started out as a helper, helping a journeyman technician. Done every aspect of repair a vehicle to pre-accident condition. I'm platinum in iCar. That's what that is you're pretty much taking all the certification courses through iCar to repair a vehicle properly, and so platinums I think is the highest. It's important to have a top-notch equipment for me so I could do the best. It makes me look good. I've been on and off. I've worked at companies that didn't have car liner. They didn't have the equipment that was a little bit behind the game equipment, and I could tell quite a bit that using car liner is, you just look at it. You put up a car on the rack, you could remove and work all the way around it underneath. I used the first car liner when I worked for Willie Ford probably 20 years ago. I'd have to say I like it compared to other machines. Everything is for sure. It's not just a gray area. The proper measurements, repair procedures. If you follow procedures, you can replace an inner structure on a vehicle within specs, 3 mils, and that will hold that inner structural piece into place while you weld it with no movement. A lot of equipment out there nowadays, they have good measuring, but they don't have something that will hold it into place while you weld it so it doesn't move. And this makes the car pretty much so it doesn't move, because welding creates a lot of heat and movement and the weight of the car, and that keeps the new part you're installing in place so you can weld it so it doesn't move.